To Yardstyle live.
All right, Kenny, may I have to ask you something? That link there with AMR Sound and DJ Kenny, how that link there come about now?
Well, this is one of the questions I'm glad somebody asked me. Okay, it's a new generation. Remember, we have cyber working now, internet and all these things, right? So it's like DJ Kenny is playing a sound named AMR Sound, and it's from Israel. Back in the days, I used to play Firelink Sound, Jam One, Sugar Mine Sound, Youth Promotion, etc., etc. But now it's a difference.
You used to play
A
Firelink
DJ,
Sound.
yeah, a DJ don't really have to be around the sound system again to say you're playing a sound. And if you understand what I say. So each mix I make, I will put AMR dubs, AMR jingles, my jingles, so we'll become a team. DJ Kenny playing AMR sound. So it's more different from back in the days in the 90s, 80s, when time you have the whole team around the sound and everybody array. It's different now. As when I say COVID kind of set things a little different, so we have to deal with the music different too. So DJ Kenny playing a sound from Israel, Tel Aviv, yeah, AMR sound. So that's how I represent playing for my sound, AMR sound, and myself.
And this has been an ongoing thing because you don't know AMR Sound have some, no, them have some classic, some one-away dub and all of them things. They
Exactly,
understand?
and them interested in music. As
Yeah.
I say, them love the Jamaica culture.
Yeah.
Them love the reggae, them love the dancer. Them not like hip-hop and soul.
Yeah.
Tell you the truth.
Yeah.
No offense,
No
but
offense.
it's strictly
Yeah.
dancehall and reggae.
You see me? And them come like a them are like the stone over the jar or them there.
Yeah.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.